What's up YouTube, my name is D, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Beats by Dre Studio3 wireless headphones. So I basically got these headphones 3 days ago, and my opinion on them is that they're not bad. I would have to say that the packaging was great. I would also say that as soon as I held these headphones in my hand, my first impression on them was that they look and feel amazing. I was able to connect the headphones to my phone extremely quickly. Basically, whenever I tried them on, I would say that the sound quality was okay. I would say that the bass was extremely nice. I would say that the bass came out really smooth, it was really clean. Then in terms of the mids and the highs, I felt that the sound could be a lot more richer. Another thing that these headphones are really known for is their battery life, which is almost about 22 hours, which is a lot. These headphones that I actually bought from Best Buy. Price tag was about $350, which is a lot. To basically give my final opinion, whether or not you should get these or not, in my opinion, if you're into something that looks and feels great, that also has like a really good brand, then I would totally get these for the $350 price tag. If you're somebody that prefers sound, then I would say you are more likely to find something better, such as brands as Sony, Audio-Technica, Sennheiser. So definitely check out those brands. If you're still interested in buying these, the link is in my description. Check it out, just give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.